Hi my country pipu, how una dey? Una don see where one man take im blockers give 6 women belle at the same time? Make una follow me gbadu the full gist.
6 babies, same time, real life or art?
To me, it's real life.
Pretty Mike wey be jolly padi to popular Nigerian celebrities wey include AY comedian don enter news again. Eze Nwale Nwogu wey everybody know as Pretty Mike na businessman, club owner, entrepreneur, fashionista and party type. When im appear for interview online, Pretty Mike revealed how im take fight depression.
I'm doing this video. I'm not a fan of doing videos like this, but I'm doing this video because it's either I'm trying to encourage somebody or I want somebody to encourage me. My morale is down, my spirit is low. The dollar is at an all-time high. People are jackpine. Not like there's anything wrong with jackpine, but you know what I mean? The speed at which people are doing it is alarming. Inflation is up. I'm confused. I don't know about you, but a lot of people, a lot of my friends, a lot of my loved ones are at the verge of losing it.
The socialite tok say e dey pain well well when person wey dey close to you like neck and head do the thing wey pain you, and when that kind thing happen, e fit make person lose sleep, think too much and eventually enter depression. When im dey talk about how e take dey do papa to 6 pikin from 6 different women, Pretty Mike talk say na wetin ordinary eye no fit explain, wey oyinbo dey call mystery. Make I quote wetin im talk. To me, it's real life. Yes, I fathered 6 kids for 6 women at the same time. It's a mystery. You can father 6 kids or more and they are not biologically your kids. I get shocked when people think the way they think, Mike said. Mike talk say if person get 6 girlfriends, come give all of them belle for same period, to fiakwa, all of them no go gree follow you waka for together for public. Im talk further say no matter how person get money reach, say even if you be Dangote or Mike Adenuga, 2 of the girls no go gree follow you. E say wetin make am waka jugbe na because of im business, and again im wan remain relevant. If una gbadun dis gist, make una help us subscribe, like, comment and share so that we go dey notify una as other gist dey shele. And for my people wey don already subscribe, no forget to turn on your notification bell icon so that sharparly dem go dey notify you as we dey upload new video.